All right, I'm not gonna get myself in trouble with brokers today, or maybe I will. Who knows, guys? I'm back. Roy's probably making his tea with Casamigos. Guys, I'm gonna be completely honest. YouTube has been absolutely robbing me of this. It'll show me that we're live. I'll hop on and start doing analysis, and then I'll check back and it's not live. I'm very sick and tired of repeating myself with this analysis. So you guys can fucking blame YouTube for this morning because I have no idea what's going on. I'm not repeating myself with the analysis. I'm gonna change my shirt up. I'm gonna go grab that Casamigos, and I'll be back in just 1 second. Let me know what city you're calling in from or you guys are tuning in from, and just let me know if you guys are ready to go. Put something in the chats if you guys are alive and ready to go. There's 60 people on here, only 20 likes. Let's get this show on the road. If we push right now, good sell entry at the higher high. Steve, mind your business, brother. Adults are talking. No, I'm messing around, Steve. I'm messing around. All jokes, all jokes, all jokes. Says everybody take a blicky. All right, pause. I don't know what that means, but it sounded a little bit suspect. Marshall from New York City was good. Marshall, Jay, good to see you on here. I apologize. I gave you a hard time yesterday. We're back. All right, let's go for round two today. Walter, my man, I know that we had to reschedule our call, but trust me, we're gonna make that happen. Ready? Yes. All right, beautiful. Everybody, drop something in the comment section if you're ready to go. We're getting that push up. Gonna wait for that pullback in about 20 minutes. And so I'm not really looking to take a trade for another 20 minutes. So a lot of you guys who don't have a clear strategy, you're not really sure what you're waiting for. So you'll just like you're afraid to go to the bathroom. You're afraid to go make breakfast because you don't want to miss anything on the charts. That's a very dangerous way to trade, y'all. You have to have a plan of action so that you're not just anxiously waiting for. If you don't know what you're waiting for, you'll be waiting forever. Right? That's pretty deep. Some of you guys need to take some time to think about that. If you don't know what you're looking for, how are you gonna know when you come across it? How are you gonna know when it smacks you across the face? If you don't know what kind of woman you want in your life, how are you gonna know when she shows up? If you don't know exactly which candles and which structure and which strategy you're looking for, how are you gonna know when it smacks you in the face like a Mack truck? You gotta know. Clarity is king. But clarity is king in the chats. Also, Christ is king. I'm gonna be right back, everybody. Grabbing a drink, changing my shirt. I'll be back in just 2 seconds. All right, we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Just want to see if anybody was panicking yet. We're good. Everybody, take a deep breath. We're good. I'm back. Okay. Oh, that's not good. So we didn't exactly have a break of the previous highs. Essentially just showing that we really don't have a lot of buying power just yet. So this thing might actually come down first. This thing might be coming down first. So if we draw the fib from top to bottom now, yeah, we'll see the 88.6 rejection from the top. So we already hit TP1 and TP2. Yeah, ideally, just want to come down for one more touch of the 16,622 area, and then we can take a long position. Now, the only difference that's going to be for the rest of the year, guys, is I'm not going to be taking as many trades. So this week I'll be trading for the rest of the week, but next week and the week after, I may be slowing down in terms of taking trades. I still see opportunity everywhere. I know a lot of people are worried about kind of ruining their progress at the end of the year, but I think I've been through so many different cycles and I've been through so many different years of this. I've made all the mistakes already that I'm not worried about getting my money back from the year in December of all places. So personally, I'll still take some trades, but don't be surprised if we're marking up charts and I'm choosing to opt out of good trades if I just don't see that the volume is going to be there for us. Today, volume is definitely present. It's looking good. Two main options I see is either a retest of this 88.6, or if we break through this level and come back for a pullback, what I would do is I would draw my fibs like this. Oh, my shit's backwards. And we would just have a deeper retracement into the zone to this, the 550 level. All right. So if we do break through, 550 is the next option. Guys, if you have your mic unmuted, we're for like 75,000 streams in at this point. When you hop on these streams, just look at the bottom of your screen. If you see the microphone button,
Okay, so we've got
muted.
that going on. That should be real quick. We'll just grab the backhoe and do that, Brian, and then we can be all hands on deck.
All right, I ain't doing this shit. All right, the only person that knows clarity is king is Mike Pineda. Awesome stuff. Here, DMV checking in. Awesome. Shout out to my DMV folks. Steve's lessons on lessons. Yup. Okay. Still got one person with their mic unmuted, guys. This is starting to piss me off. It's not pissing me off that there's the background noise is that if you're not listening to the stream and that's why you're not hearing me tell you to mute it, it means you're not paying attention. Why the fuck are you even on here? All right, still got another 15, 20 minutes. Let's let the market play out. And yeah, I came rushing back from the gym, cut my workout early and shit. Oh, they got to delete that promo code. Guys, only 5 people use the promo code for FOMC. I'm so disappointed, man. It's half off the class. That's basically free. But yeah, I cut my workout early, rushed all the way over here, and we still have probably another 20, 30 minutes before this trade plays out. So at least we showed up early today. You said was muted. Thanks though. No, you weren't, bro. Don't lie to us. I was talking directly to you. My UJ trade hit stop loss from yesterday. I had an 88.6 trade. right here off this rejection. I was expecting a bit of a retracement back up to this level. Now I think the market's going to continue to drop because the dollar doesn't seem to have any intention of pulling back up. Dollar is headed all the way down to the 100,855 level. Once we hit the 100,855 level, that's where we're going to see the big turnaround. And so for now, expect another probably week to 2 weeks of bearish momentum for the dollar before we see that turnaround. And so with, oh, Euro JPY hit that buy entry perfectly. Yo, whose trade idea was this? Somebody told me to look at EJ over the weekend. We found this exact trade idea. Who was it? I know you're on the stream. Who was it? Oh, come on, bro. I meant to show this Euro USD, but Euro USD is pushing up right now. Once we get to this 1.107 level, maybe a little bit higher, maybe 1.11, that's when we're going to see the turnaround. So the dollar has a little bit more room to go before it turns around, which means all the dollar crosses are going to do the same, which means UJ as well. UJ is going to have a little bit more room to go down to the 141, I believe, maybe a bit lower. And actually, let's call it 140 flat. 140 flat, we're buying UJ to the moon. Okay? 140 flat, 140. We're buying UJ to the moon. OZFX trader said I took the EJ trade. Awesome stuff. Steve says, yes, sir. I took the EJ trade. Can you do gold? No, and I'm trying to find out who asked for the EJ trade. Because if I'm going to go through and give you guys free trade ideas, we got to do a follow-up and we got to go through and say like, hey, we called this and it was 100% correct, and let's use this as a learning opportunity. Same with gold. If I'm going to be out here calling trades and then there's no follow-up, nobody cares after, I'm not a circus monkey. Very clearly, I know how to find trades. This is for the benefit of education.
Said this ain't CNBC, you heard?
Hey, yo, what does that have to do with anything? CNBC? Are you calling them circus monkeys? I'm just trying to put it together. That was a little slightly unclear. You want to try it again?
Explaining the joke is never as good, so just let that go over you guys' head.
Just a little hard and just unclear, when the punchline doesn't really, it's not self-explanatory. Oh,
I just scalped that sell off the 88.6 though.
bet you did. I can see this thing shorting. But the trend is my friend. I just want to see it pull back down to 16,620. Now, everybody give me one quick second. I just gotta check my settings. You guys can't see my screen, right? I just gotta check my settings real quick.
No, we can't see your screen.
Okay, good. Give me one quick second. Okay. Okay, we're back. Noah said the trend is your friend until it ends. At least somebody pays attention. Bro, Alpha Capital gave away free 5K challenge, then disappear. Alpha Capital? Who the fuck is that? But that's why they disappeared. You can't disappear if no one fucking knows you. Roy, how's the UJ trade you took yesterday before logging off? Biggie, I told you, hit SL, man. I'm gonna try to rub it in my face. What are we doing here? You know it hit stop loss, brother. All right, so no rejection, no entry. No rejection, no entry. This is messy, guys. This is a messy, messy trade, but I'm gonna tell you right now, the rules are the rules. The 88.6 is the 886. The rules are the rules. Fuck, damn. These things move so quick. So I'll usually be doing this from my phone. Matter of fact, dude, fuck this. I'm just gonna do this from my phone. Guys, I'm not gonna allow the stream to get in the way of my trading. I'm gonna keep it casual. My dad texted me, said, "You're late for the stream." Thanks, Pops. I know. All right, I just entered the long. This is gonna be a scalp. So I have a feeling that this thing wants to push down first, but I'm in. Wait, I think that's the wrong account. And I understand that the market momentum is kind of overbought, so we're a little bit high in the market. This thing is due for a retracement. We could see that come down. If you guys are in a place where you're like on your last trade, where this trade actually matters for your account, if you guys are in some like challenge or whatever, and you're going to be crying after this because you lost this trade, please do not take this. This is not one of those high probability trades. We are unbelievably overextended into a trend and we're buying at the highs. If you're going to cry about this trade, do not take this trade. I'm going to have to remind you guys every day because the amount of people that cry after these streams is unbelievable. Take a responsibility for your decisions today. This is not one of those high probability trade setups. So if you are uncomfortable with taking risk, first off, you should probably quit trading Forex. But second, please don't take this trade so I don't have to hear about it later. Deal? Everybody deal? Guys, this is real. This is not, I'm not trying to be a dickhead. This is absolutely 100%. I'm asking a serious question. Put deal or no deal in the chat. Because if this thing slips down, which it kind of looks like is a possibility, I take trades based on my system, win or lose. I'm like a machine. Okay. If these conditions line up, I take the trade. It's that simple. A lot of people don't have that level of experience yet. So when you lose a trade, you just sit there and overthink it for the next 2 weeks and you cry about it and you just sit there and try to think about what you did wrong and how you could have done this and all this type shit. This trade is going to run your head through a fucking wall because it's not so clear that you can justify it to yourself later. So if you are not 100% certain in your strategy and you're not 100% ready to accept risk, do not take this fucking trade. Deal? Now I'm trying to be as aggressive as possible because the people in here that are going to fuck up their accounts will not listen to reason. They're in a state of mind where it's just like, okay, okay, let's go. Those are the ones I'm really talking to. So you guys think I'm being abrasive, it's probably because you have your head on straight. The rest of you guys, I'm speaking directly to you. And some of you will still make the mistake regardless. But hopefully the majority of the traders understand your priorities here. If you are going to take the trade, use proper risk. I mean, we're already blowing through the fucking 88.6, so already seeing a few warning signs here of a slip to the bottom, but That's the game. I see the strategy, I take the trade, and I have patience until it pulls back. He said, I love when Roy yells at the chat for being stupid. The thing is, I'm not even yelling at the chat for being stupid. I just know traders because I've been trading for so long. I've made all the mistakes. I know that there's people on the other side of the screen that will never type a single fucking message, but are sitting there sweating through their hand right now, about to blow their account on some shit, having anxiety out the ass because they just don't have a strategy. They just literally just put a trade in and then pray for the best, just fingers crossed. So that's why I'm trying to beat it into somebody's head, because when I was in those states, reason would not help. I'm like, yeah, sure, but that was my take. Yeah, sure, but did I get kicked? I did get kicked. Unbelievable. Tight stop losses. So where's the lows? Lows are now established at this wick here, which is at 85. So I'm gonna have to go 65. 65 is my stop loss. Risking slightly under 1% here. We have 70 right here. That's about 20 points. 21 points. Yep. All right, so slightly under 1% risk on this trade. Bit high, but I'm ready. Deal. I'm in, risking less than 1/4%. Love to see it, Gabe. I've been risking 0.2%. Love to see it, Mike. Awesome. See, my folks in the Zoom call, you guys know, man. VIP members, Chart Addicts members, you guys know. You guys have been through all the right training. You guys have been around long enough. You understand. You're a real YouTuber. Thanks for those words. Wally, don't ever call me a fucking YouTuber. So you'll never be allowed back on the stream.
He just called you a streamer, bro.
Bro, fucking man. Everyone's like, Roy, you're gonna do 100 days straight of streaming? Wow, that's gonna be so hard to have the discipline to do that over and over again. I'm like, nope, that's the fucking easy part. It's hearing this shit that makes it hard. Fucking blew thousands of dollars, spent years. I took fucking years off my life becoming a trader to get called a fucking YouTuber. Bro, I'm gonna die 7 years earlier than I was supposed to because of trading. I'm gonna just
Yo,
let you
guys,
guys know this right now. And I ain't
let's send,
doing all that. I ain't doing all that shit just to be called a fucking streamer.
let's send this link to Aiden Ross to get Roy a kick contract.
Bro, send this shit to fucking to your boy Raja, bro. It's like, no, I love you, Raja. Chill. Well, nobody's safe. I told you I'm an equal opportunity roaster. Anybody can get it. He said, watch your hard R's, bro. It's YouTuber. Yo, you're funny as shit, son. When you said watch the hard R's, I have to double check. I was like, wait a second. What the fuck did I just say? Yo, you're funny as shit, bro. I have a fucking hard drop. Yo, it's a YouTuber. What's actually really funny is me and O were out here. I forgot where we were. I think it was in Jamaica, bro. He was walking around, he was vlogging something because he just had a payout from FTMO, spent the whole payout on a vacation to Jamaica. He was out there in Jamaica, like fucking people were following him around, and this lady was like tapping him on the shoulder. He was like, "It was good," and she was like, "Are you a YouTuber?" And he was, "What the fuck?" He was like, "Yeah, I am." Because he was famous for like 30 minutes. They're like, "Show us your channel." He was like, he's like, "I'm out that." Wait. At TP1, I'm going to close partials, move stops to break even. TP1, I'm going to close partials, move stops to break even. which would be the 16,640 here. Just like another 10, 15 points, take partial profits, move stops to break even. We got some good signs here so far. We had a break below the consolidation lows, a break above. And I do like the break above first because we've already established a new high. We showed buyer's intention. All right, we just hit TP1, everybody. I'm going to close partial profits. Just hit TP1. I'm going to close partial profits. 400 bucks off that. Awesome. Stop loss and break even and hold the rest. You can take partial profits again if you want, but that's all up to you. Everything from here on out is going to be extra credit. It might be slightly premature to move stops to break even because it might just come swoop back down for one more take. So that's the risk that you're going to have to take, guys. If you move your stops, understand it could come back and smash and then push back up, which is very, very likely for today's session. So you can either just leave it open or you can re-enter. Now I'm trying to decide right now which one I'd rather do just from a mental standpoint, like where I'm at today. Re-entering trades involves many more decisions. So I'm kind of like gauging how many good decisions do I have right now? I got so much shit to do today. I'm not going to sit here and exhaust a bunch of good decisions in real time. So if it hits break even, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's called protecting your mental health so that you can be productive for the rest of the day. We only have so many good decisions every day, guys. And if you overuse them, it's a problem. Mark Don said, I'm from Jamaica. There we go. Shout out to my Jamaicans out there. Mario said, get this man a contract. That's like a rapper saying they're not a rapper. It's part of your identity. Wet Willie, you call me a YouTuber again, I'm kicking you off the strings for good. All right, so proceed with caution. Guys, I'm being dead ass. I did not put this much work into my life to be disrespected and be called a YouTuber. Because there's a lot of people in this industry, right? Like some of these podcast guys that are blowing up, they're not fucking traders. They're just YouTubers. Now, I'm gonna be honest, guys, if I wasn't actually trading and I wasn't actually helping people and turning people into profitable traders, and I was just a YouTuber, don't you guys think that I would wash this entire industry 5 times backwards? Some of you guys are like, no, I don't think that. All right, well, let me show you. When I lean into the YouTuber thing, this is what happens. What happens is, for example, these day in the life videos. Okay, so we got 420K, we got 200K views, 150K views. When we want to do the clickbait stuff, when we want to do like the day in the life and the millionaire stuff and all this shit, if I was really a YouTuber, we'd have 1 million subs right now. Real traders don't get 1 million subs. Everybody in the industry does not want, they just want to see a pipe dream. They want to see me demo trade $1 million account and just lie to everybody, lie to your fucking face, then sell you some bullshit product that doesn't work. That's what most of this industry really, really wants. And you're like, well, no, Roy, they don't actually want that. They just don't know. They're voting with their money that's what they want. So that's what they want. You understand? Yeah, I got stopped at BE. Chances are you got a bit of a late entry, Nick. The reason that wick entries are so important is because even when the market comes back to retrace, you don't get hit because we have such a good entry. That's the value of that 88.6. That's the value of having a precision entry. By the time the market comes down to hit, it's either going to be like a double bottom wick thing. Oh, geez. Yeah, this is either going to be like a quick retest or a push back to the upside. I'm re-entering. I still see no signs that the trade is invalid, so trade is valid until it's not. So if we had gotten the wick entry down here, for example, we would have been in break even and not had to re-enter at all. And so the worse of an entry we get, the more that we're going to have to sort of like either endure drawdown or potentially re-enter or get hit and break even or whatever combination of those. Personally, I'm re-entering But for most of you guys, understand your risk strategy and understand your plan. If you've already hit your max daily trades or whatever it might be, walk away. You still got some ammo in the chambers, do whatever you want to do. But at this point, we've already kind of had that rejection at the 886, not really seeing too much respect of that zone. But it's still too early to tell. And it's gone. Tough business, guys. It's a tough business. But luckily, I'm tougher. Wrong way. Ah, shit. Bro, these things move so fast. Trading off the phone is so much faster. Like it was down here. It was at 86. It's like by the time that I click on the screen to open this and then open this tab, maybe I am a YouTuber. Maybe I am a YouTuber, guys. So they want you to do good, but not better than them. I don't even know what that means. From Boston, Police State Productions. Oh, nah. Everybody in the chat, hide everything. Put it all away. It's what Sway wants. All right, guys. Yeah. Market's pulling down. Tough day. 16,550. Fucking tough day. I should have stayed at the gym and had a good time. God, I was enjoying the shit out of that workout. Came here just to lose money. This is fucked up. This is a fucked up day, people. Says, yeah, I was late. Now I'm sitting on my hands. Good for you. Steve says check gold. Steve, I don't fucking trade gold, bro. You've been on here for like 17 streams. You know I don't trade gold. All right, I check gold because I called out some trades for people who asked me for gold. Same with EJ, but the same people that asked me for these trades are nowhere to be found. They just took the trade idea, probably didn't even take the trade and just like fucking left. So I'm not going over anybody else's trades anymore. I'm not giving out free trade ideas and shit. And I'm not checking any pairs except for the trades that I'm trading. George said, I'm in the cells from the 88.6. Yeah, you and Golly too. Roy, can you give us motivation on achieving goals? Yeah, Josh, if you need motivation to achieve your goals, kiss that shit goodbye. You're never gonna fucking make it. Just admit that you're gonna be a loser for the rest of your life, and it's as simple as that. Yo, if you need motivation to get up and get it and do all this shit, guys, you're already lost. What fucking motivation do you need? You could fucking die today, Josh. You could die tomorrow. Everybody around you could die tomorrow. What fucking motivation are you looking for? You think that you're in some kind of fucking practice run for life? This is your warm-up run? Motherfucker, you're in the middle of the game. You either have the life you want or you don't have the life you want. If you don't have the life you want, don't let all this shit tell you, oh, it's okay and you can't be hard on yourself. No, get depressed, get mad, break something, go burn something, go do something. Remind yourself how badly you go look yourself in the eyes and say, why am I not where I want to be? What am I doing that's stopping me from getting where I want to be? You got to be able to build your own motivation. If you're living the life that you want, perfect. But if you're not, that should be motivation enough. Mario, do you place trades on the toilet, Roy? Mario, you must have thought this was somebody else's stream, bro. You must have thought this was fucking Raja's stream or something. Shut your dumb ass up, bro. Like, well, I went to this guy's stream and he was mean. Yeah, wait till you take a live trade, baby. Wait till you take a live trade. You guys think I'm mean. Wait till you see what the markets will do to you. Those two lost trades in a row, that kind of got me a little bit. You said yesterday it was at selling levels. Yeah, that was when it was at this zone, the 650 zone. Not 650. It was kind of around this area here. Once we broke fully above and then came back to retest, now I found my issue. Oh, I was fucking baby pips trading. And to be honest, I thought that this wick here was the liquidity grab, but I should have known better. NASDAQ doesn't liquidity grab like a little baby like this. It's gonna liquidity grab like this. It's gonna come and pull all the way back. It might even pull back down here. If you are a trader and you don't curse the market, then you are not a trader. No biplap, you sound like a pussy. Why are you cursing the market? It can't fucking hear you. You should go to the mirror and curse yourself for being a clown for taking the trade. The fuck is cursing at the market gonna do? Are you serious? Ah, guys. You got, man, if you know me, you know I want to re-enter. I'm always talking about setting a good example for the stream and shit, man. I'm gonna make you guys I'm just gonna have to be completely honest. I can no longer even think about the streams in terms of trading because I'll just be like, oh, but what if somebody takes the same trade as me as loses money? Guys, do not take my fucking trades. How about I just do a disclaimer? This is not financial advice. Please do your own analysis. I'm just an idiot on a screen. Don't take my trades. Okay? That way I can just fucking trade in peace and not have to worry about some beginner blowing their account taking my trades. Because I see this shit about to pop back up and I kind of want to take the risk. If I lose, I lose. It is what it is. But I feel like
Yo,
being on
Roy,
these
might have
streams is
to
starting
bring
to
back
affect my decision making.
might
Golly,
have
what
to
did you say, bro? Why are you interrupting me while I'm talking, bro? What's going on? What are we doing today?
might have to bring back the tip jar for cursing.
Yeah, make me. You feel me? You see how this works?
Just got the call from Big Brother.
Who, my dad?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, dad, no. I was just joking.
You were saying?
He said we're gonna open up Bible study. Open to page 102. Everybody, we're gonna read The Great Gatsby today. We'll start in the back of the class. Josh says, bro was never taught manners. Yep. Tuning in from South Africa, Uzair, welcome. Mario said, don't do it. According to your analysis yesterday, I'll buy again at 16,504. Victor, love to see it, bro. You're paying attention. Steve says, charts, tell Santa to get that 10K top tier account. Our strategies are very much similar. Good stuff, Uzair. God, I want to take this buy so badly. I'll fucking... Fucking rules, dude. I got a two loss in a row rule where if I take two losses in a row, I can't trade for the rest of the day. But yeah, it's the fucking third trade that usually makes it all back. That's the hard part. But discipline over chasing money. Discipline over chasing money. Even if the trade plays out, I have to follow my plan. I gotta follow my plan. I'm going I'm going to take them. I make money off them. The fuck are you even I'm going to take them. I make money off them motherfuckers. 7313 the god. Bro, you just gave me dyslexia, bro. I'm trying to fucking read your message, but I understand what you said. He said, get a disclaimer in intro. You feel me? Call US 30. Yo, Walter, you're too much, bro. Walter is the messiest person in this whole chat. Gee, do you see this, bro? Every single time we're trying to move on, this dude comes right back in bringing up fucking the used Molly salesman. I did not get enough credit for that shit yesterday, man. Fuck y'all. That was a funny ass joke. I hopped off the stream like, man, people did not laugh hard enough at that joke. A used Molly salesman? That's fucking hilarious. It's like a used car salesman, but worse. Josh, it's all about boy in the striped pajamas. Bro, it's not the right time to be making that joke, Josh. Yeah, you about to get us all fucked up.
Yeah, that was out of pocket.
That was way out of pocket, bro. Yo, time out for that one. But what if your plan sucks? Isn't taking a valid trade worth it? No, Josh. The only reason why you take someone else's trade and you still haven't developed your own plan is because you're a pussy. Because if you lose a trade under your own rules, you have to accept responsibility for the mistake. If you take someone else's trade, then you can just blame them when it doesn't go your way and you never have to take personal responsibility. So if you don't have a trading plan, you're taking someone else's trades. Dude, what if I'm lying to you? You guys gotta realize I have a good heart. I'm really here looking out for people. If y'all think everybody is like me, you're out of your fucking mind. You guys think I'd be out here on YouTube making a fool out of myself if everybody was doing this? I'm doing this because nobody gives a fuck about the traders anymore. I'm really out here trying to like provide some value here. So if you're just taking random trade ideas from social media and you don't have your own plan, the only people who should be taking these trades are the ones who took the masterclass and have context as to why I'm making these decisions. That's the only reason you should take these trades. If you don't have a trading plan, why would you keep wasting money in the markets instead of paying for a class, paying for a course, paying for coaching, and developing a trading plan? What does rejection mean? It's usually what happens when you talk to a woman. One crad P. It's all about the, okay, we're not doing that. Where you had the fib drawn for this buy. Okay. We'll go through that in a bit. What you talking about the DXY dump right now, bro? What? WYT? What the fuck is WYT, man? But this dude acts like I fucking, bro, text it like I text 17-year-olds, bro. I don't fucking know what you're talking about. I'm 27. WYT. Every day is a new. I know WYD, right? I get that text about 2 a.m. sometimes. I know what that means. She be throwing out that, she be throwing the WYD with the looking emoji, the angel emoji. I know what that means. The course pays for itself in just the first few days, people. Yes, it does. This can't relate, never been rejected. Josh, bro, look, there's only room for one arrogant, egotistical person in this chat today, and it's me. You gotta go. Mario said nobody is safe in the stream. Yeah, especially not you, Mario. That fucking toilet question. You think I forgot? But you lost all talking privileges. Be careful the next time you type a message. Robin said you done with the challenge. Robin, I explained what happened with the challenge 2 streams ago at the very beginning. Recommend you go and check that out. Nobody is safe on the stream? Exactly, not even me. I'm not even safe on my own stream. Mostly because I got Golly in here. I gotta protect myself at all times. So you guys I got laughing emojis showing up on Zoom. Which one do you guys like? Was it the rejection one? Which one were you guys laughing at?
Your 2 a.m. text you're talking about with the eggplant emoji and shit, you know?
I completely forgot about that. Bro, I just say whatever, man. I need help. I should have stayed at the gym today, dude. I'm gonna lose the 3rd trade in a row and just fucking cry myself to sleep tonight. Wet Willie said, I don't trade NAS100. I'm here for the rockstar trading mentality, entry and exit ideology. I'll be honest, today, not the best example of that, but you guys have seen me on the streams on a regular basis. Am I streaming tomorrow? Yeah, why wouldn't I be? My dad says, and dad is watching. See, now I'm really sweating. So I gotta make this count, people. I'm here losing money in front of my dad. You guys are so, you got most people's biggest fear is telling their parents they lost money in trading or that they blew an account in trading. Can you guys agree with this? That my dad is watching me live trade in front of you guys. But I gotta beat a sweat like I'm a fucking like a criminal in court. Like I was gonna say something really, but I forgot my dad was watching. I'm gonna make a funny ass joke. Slightly stressful. 7313 says rejection is when you get rejected by a woman. But my joke was 10 times funnier than that. Don't do that. Don't repeat my joke in a worse way. It's horrible. 1627 stop loss for sellers. 1627. Yeah, if it breaks back above this zone 100%, it's back long. but I think I think this thing's gonna dump off a little bit. The reason I'm still bullish is because the fundamentals still support the buys. We saw the press conference yesterday where Jerome Powell was essentially telling us that they had no intention of raising rates again all of next year, and there was a potential for a few rate cuts. Whether it's today, tomorrow, or next week, the markets will go back bullish, 100%.
Guys, in case you couldn't tell, that virus was Roy's villain arc. So everybody's getting smoked today.
You're talking about me getting sick?
Yeah.
Bro, it fucked me up. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm still feeling it right now. I was feeling great at the gym. As soon as I sat back down in the chair, I'm like, fucking, I'm back. Fucking, I just need a few more days, man. This is crazy. Said the villain arc, buddy. The villain arc started a long time ago. Go watch the streams from 2 weeks ago. Everybody was getting cooked. Ray said, my dad said, leave the jokes to Gali. Bro, nah, bro. Nah, bro. This is fucked up. G, you take over the stream, bro. I'm leaving.
Hey man, I wasn't made for fame. Why do you think I don't
Brother,
show
neither was I, bro. I don't want to pretend to be a tough guy and whatnot, bro. I'm sensitive. That one hurt my feelings. I'm gone. Oh, shit. Marshall said, what products do I use for the gym? No, he deleted the message. Never mind. Whoa. All right, guys, I have no intention in waiting for this retracement trade, either at 650 or 500. I have so much shit to do today, so if I'm not intending on waiting for those price levels or being available when it gets there, normally what I would do is I would set an alert here at each of these price levels. You can see this dotted line, so that before the market gets to my intended zone, I can keep my eye on it and take the trade. So I would add an alert here. Now, because I have so many things going on today, even if the market hits that, bro, even if the market hits that zone, I still wouldn't be able to take the trade. So what I'm going to do is we're going to call off the streams for today. I'm going to catch you guys on the next market outlook, which is tonight for the CA members. If you're not a Chart Addicts member, I'll see you guys on tomorrow's stream bright and early. If you're watching on the YouTube stream, oh, one last reminder. The NAS100 Masterclass is going to be February 4th. If you haven't already grabbed your seat, head to the link in the description. What the fuck happened? Oh, still loading. Okay. This is what I want to show. Head over to the link in the description, chartaddictsfx.com. Head over to the tab that says live classes. You guys can see all the details there. You can learn exactly a step-by-step strategy to trade NAS100. And if you guys are interested in showing up to the FX Summit 2024 conference, which is the largest conference in the world for traders, investors, and entrepreneurs, every big name trader that you guys know in the entire space from start to finish, except for the scammers, you guys know who they are, except for the scammers, are going to be at the FX Summit. We have TradingView as the main sponsor, Binance as a sponsor, and a lot of great companies showing up. We have TradingView, Oanda. We got Bob Elliott showing back up as Ray Dalio's former investment manager. We have tons of amazing speakers. Would love to see every single trader, investor, and entrepreneur there. Make sure you guys head over to fxsummit2024.com. All tickets are half off until the end of the year. You guys have about 20 days left. There's 17 days left in the year. Make sure you guys grab your tickets before they're gone. Damn. When you're right, you're right. For those of you guys who took the masterclass, a responsible way to trade something like this, where the market is broken through your support and broken through the whole box, is that as soon as it breaks back above the box, you can put half of your order on the break back in. This is about to change your all's life. Half your order on the way back in, and then the other half of your order on the retest. Thank me later. Okay, not on like this little wick bullshit. It's going to try to wick through a little bit. No, wait for it to break back inside, like as it's breaking in. Put a small position, and then put the rest of the position on the retest. That's the re-entry strategy for buys if it does make it back above the 16,627. Somebody mentioned an appropriate stop loss for the sellers, I think it was the police productions, whoever it was, you were incredibly spot on. Police state productions. The stop loss for the sellers is that buy stop for the buyers. Okay, same exact zone. So great work, everybody. Markets don't always go our way. It is what it is. This is why risk management is a major component of trading. You won't win all the time, but make sure that your winners make up for the losers. Okay? Said I agree because UCAD is falling off the map. Yeah, I mean, if the dollar is dropping, so will UCAD. But as we explained earlier, the dollar is going to head down to this 100.85 level. The 100.85. Once we hit that, then we can see the turnaround. So if you're trading USD CAD, same exact thing. I haven't even looked at UCAD in a year. I don't even know where I drew this from. Support, resistance, premium, discount. Like, bro, I don't think the strategy works. I literally cracked the markets and people still not happy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Every pair, every time frame, no matter what, same fucking system. People want to call it basic or some dumb shit. It's like, it's unbelievable. Okay, so I mean, same exact thing as the dollar. If the dollar has a little bit more room to go before it turns around, so does UCAD. It's not rocket science. So you just got to ask yourself, we're on the daily. How many more of these daily candles do we need to end up down here? I would say at least 2, maybe 3. So should I just keep buying dollar pairs this week? No. Should I probably wait till next week for a turnaround? Yeah, probably. When the market gets here, is it going to touch the zone and just turn around? No, it's going to take a couple of days before it turns around. So set realistic expectations by doing like, I don't know, 5 minutes of back testing, and you'll be able to figure out exactly what's going on. All right, alerts are set. I have one at 16,557. I have another alert at 16,508. I will not be updating you guys in the chat or in the Discord chat only because I got a pretty busy day. So that's what we're doing. Josh says, Roy, why timeout? I was cooking. Josh, please stop asking me questions, man. Good morning, Jermaine. Good to see you here, bro. I agree because UCAT is falling off. Peace. Yup. Roy got the what are you doing text. I still haven't been added to the Discord group. TGIP, did you email us or not? But we've sent out the Discord link to everybody. Everyone who's in the NAS class, Discord link has already been sent, I believe. And if you haven't finished your certificate, and if you haven't finished your final exam, then you're not going to get in the chat. It's that simple. Mario says, I'm grabbing the class Roy Christmas gift to myself. Mario, at least you might redeem yourself, my man. He said that might be a step in the right direction from do you trade on the toilet to maybe asking a bit of a better question. Get the likes like the viewers. At this point, man, I don't give a fuck. People don't want to like the stream. It is what it is. When is the date for the FX Summit? Well, you could head over to the website and find out, Biggie Smalls. I was acting like I'm his mom. So when is the event? November 15th to the 17th, people. November 15th to the 17th. But you can just very quickly click on the link in the description to find out more about the event details itself. Ladies, gents, I'm going to hop off. Got a ton to do today. Not the best trading day, but it's not always going to be a winner. I'm going to have to just go and get my mind off of trading for just probably like 10, 15 minutes, reset, because as you know, we're all emotionally strong and whatever, but bro, no one likes to lose, especially not me. So I'm just going to walk it off a bit and then come back, get ready to work and move on with my responsibilities for the day. Hopefully you all do the same. If you had a great trading day, awesome. If you followed your rules, even better. Love to see you guys on the same stream tomorrow morning, New York Market Open. I'll be here on time tomorrow. Great to see all of you this morning. If I roasted you, don't take it to heart. I'm an equal opportunity roaster. Everybody can get it. I got it on the stream today too, so we're good. Everybody, take it easy. Happy, safe trading. Peace.